Hey everyone, welcome back into Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy XRP on ByBit quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1 is to install first and set up the ByBit. Download and install the ByBit app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign up and log into your ByBit account. Step 2 is to deposit USDT to your ByBit account. Tap deposit icon at the home screen and select deposit crypto, then choose USDT as your deposit currency. Pick up your preferred network like TRC20, ERC20, and more, and copy and deposit address. Send USDT from your external wallet and exchange to your ByBit account. Wait for the deposit to be confirmed, and you can check this in the asset menu. Make sure you select the correct network to avoid losing funds. Step 3 is to buy XRP using STT. Go to the markets and tap to the bottom of the screen. Use the search bar at the top and type XRP/USDT. Select and open the trading pair. Under trading type, switch from limit to market for an instant purchase. Enter the amount of USDT you want to spend. Tap buy XRP and your order will be executed immediately. A market order will buy XRP at the current price, while limit orders let you set up your own price. There is also an alternative method, which is convert other crypto to XRP. If you already have an Ethereum, Bitcoin, and another cryptocurrency, you can convert it to XRP. Tap the More and then scroll and select the Trade section. And from the Convert, choose the crypto you want to exchange and then enter the amount and tap Get Code. Confirm the conversion and XRP will be added to your assets. And that's how you can buy XRP on ByBit in just a few simple steps. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I'll let you know in the comments if you have any question. Thank you for watching. I'll see you into the next one.